Hello and happy 4th. Today I'm using Colourpop Rock On, and we're going to start with Rock My World. I'm not sure, I think I might have, I don't know, maybe not, uploaded a video explaining why I haven't been here. Hold on, let me get this. Here we go. So I used to have a cyst right here. You might have seen it in some of my videos. It stood out. And what am I doing? I already did that eye. About 4 months ago, I was using a scalp massager for this hair serum that I was using, and it grazed the cyst and opened it up a little bit. And I washed it and put Neosporin on it, and all that kind of stuff. And it started to hurt about 2 months ago. And then about a month and a half, it progressively started to hurt worse every day, until it was hard for me to lay down because it didn't like me laying on my back or my sides. And let me get this one. Favorite hike, I think. And then this past Sunday, I went to brush my hair. I didn't brush over the cyst. I brushed down below. But it caught a hair just right, and holy moly, did that hurt. And I was in the shower, and just the water on my head hurt bad. So I really couldn't see it, because of the place it was. Okay. Chasing what? Sunsets. Okay, I'm gonna use this one with my finger. So I finally figured out that I could put my cell phone back there and record it. Just put it all over your lid. We're doing a 4th of July, like, kind of firecracker look. I'm not really into the red, white, and blue stuff. Plus, I wasn't even born here, so I was born in England, but I'm just not into red, white, and blue. Nothing against America, I just don't like the colors on me. So anyway, what is this one now? Trail mix. I saw, what it looked like for the first time and realized that I should probably get to a doctor. It was all red and swollen, and in the middle of it, it had a yellow thing. So, just to shorten the story, I went to urgent care Monday. They lanced it, squeezed it, pushed it, pulled it, scraped it, all this lovely stuff, and finally got it out. And so the next day my head was, ooh, I slept all day because it sucked. Okay, we're gonna use Rock My World. And they told me I couldn't wash my hair for 14 days. And I knew when they said that, I'm like, I am not going to be able to do that. So today, 4 days in, I had washed my hair Sunday. I didn't even think about not being able to wash it again. But today, I couldn't take it anymore. I don't like my hair unwashed, So I went and folded up a Ziploc bag and put it on there and clipped it, you know, and stood at the kitchen sink, and like I couldn't do anything up here, you know, because where the cyst is, I didn't want it to go back there. But I mean, it's cleaner than it was on Monday, you know, because you have all the fluids from everything, and it just, ugh. So I'm gonna do what I can, you know. So if my hair looks like this, you know why. Okay, hold on, I'm gonna blend. Now I'm going to put more Chasing Sunsets on. So how's your 4th going? Are you doing anything fun? We're just doing our usual stay at home. I gotta get a wipe, hold on. All right, I just used Wet n Wild Multi-Stick Keep Digging for waterline liner. Where did I put that other stuff? Oh my god. Oh, right here. This you can't really see, but I'm gonna redo it anyway. Lorilla Fantasy Glitter Eyeliner, Certified Gold. Yep. Okay, L'Oreal Paris Telescopic Mascara. Hold on. Now I'm going to put Summer Heat on the lower lash line. And then I'm going to put Milani Stellar Lights Highlight, and we're going to use this one. And it's called Golden Quartz for inner corner, and I'll be back. Okay, we used Revlon Gold Goddess lipstick. Wet n Wild, I think it's a Gemini. Yeah, Gemini gloss. Colourpop Rock On. Milani Stellar Lights Highlight. L'Oreal True Match Cool Light Foundation. NYX Born to Glow Highlight. I'm going to use this one. The Milani I used for brow. e.l.f. Bright Pink Blush. Revolution Cream Contour Palette. And I used this one. L'Oreal Paris Brow Definer Light Blonde Brow Pencil. Okay, hold on. All right. I may do a another little video with a different lip. We'll see. I gotta see how it looks first, but oh, this is gonna just drive me nuts. 14 days without properly washing my hair. Ugh. Well, anyway, I hope that you have a fantastic 4th of July. And what's tomorrow, Friday? Well, hopefully I will be here for Friday night makeup. Yeah, I suppose I can think of something. So I will hopefully see you then.